this video, we will show you how to install two WhatsApp accounts in one smartphone. The requirement is your smartphone must have two SIM cards active. In here, you can see there, I have one WhatsApp account in here. Then I need to install the second WhatsApp. In here, I'm using WhatsApp Business. And to install the second WhatsApp, you need to go to Play Store and choose Virtual Android. Install this. After that, you can open and you can click starting. You can just go to Play Store and type the second WhatsApp. In here, we need to using WhatsApp Business. Click open and you can type your second phone number. For example, and you can verify. Two 19024. Click continue, or you can skip and click next. We can click not now, and this is my second WhatsApp. Okay, because we already have a contact, we just try to message. We can go to switching our second WhatsApp in here. Okay, this is, you can see, and we can back to the second WhatsApp. For example, you can see there, hey, voila. This is a second WhatsApp, and then you can see there we have two WhatsApp in here. That's our tutorial how to install two WhatsApp account in one smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you.